This is all flea beetle damage.
If you're like any home gardener, you've seen insects on your crops. And depending on the size of the bugs and damage done, there are a few ways to go about treating. One you may be tackling is a striped cucumber beetle.
Buy yourself a cucumber in the supermarket, peel it, put it in the bottom of a quart jar, kind of mush it all up with a little bit of water, and there's a material in that called cucurbitase which actually attracts striped cucumber beetle. The snails really are prolific because they need the wet weather. So you can see this one crawling around. As I say, mostly on corn. There's not a lot of good control for those, other truly than hand picking.
You may find a high number of insects like this Japanese beetle on trees and plants next to your garden like these raspberry bushes. But if you find a bug that you don't recognize, you want to try to capture or take a picture of it and send it into the Cooperative Extension.
We definitely want to know what people's enemies are, so identify those insects and figure out the best management strategy and whether it's even worth spraying, because some of those insects may have a short lifespan and it's not going to cause enough damage to really warrant going out and buying pesticides.
We were able to knock down our pest count simply because our radish was ready to harvest. And Kate says we can take advantage of the unused space in our garden by planting a row of late beans and spinach. In Bangor, this is Erin Thomas for ABC 7 and Fox 22.